Welcome to MyChart, a great tool to help you stay connected with your neighborhood health center care team. With MyChart, requesting an appointment with your NHC provider is quick and easy. Let's log in and get started. From your home screen, select Schedule an Appointment from your main drop-down menu. You can also select Visits from your shortcuts. Here, you can review your past and upcoming appointments. Click Schedule an Appointment at the top of the page to continue. On this page, please select from a list of providers that you have previously seen at NHC. Choose your provider, then choose the type of visit you would like to request. If you do not have a provider preference, click Any Provider, followed by the type of visit you'd like. Next, select a date range for your appointment. You can choose a specific time of day by selecting All Available Times, or filter times by morning or afternoon. In the open text box below, tell your NHC care team about your main question or health concern. Before submitting your appointment request, you can make changes by pressing Edit under any information you'd like to change. Once you've confirmed all of the information is correct, click Send Request. You will receive an email notification once your appointment has been scheduled. If an appointment slot is not available at your preferred time, an NHC provider will call to help schedule your appointment. MyChart is a great tool to help you stay connected with your neighborhood health center care team. Visit nhcoregon.org to learn more.